Southwick is in the Weather Center tonight. So Lee, tell us there could be more travel delays tomorrow as we get ready for cold weather here on the First Coast?
Yes, it's the same system, that same cold front that's diving towards us and will bring us those frigid temperatures. You saw the snow videos just a couple moments ago. Here's that front there bringing a lot of winter weather to parts of the United States, pushing into the East Coast. It will continue to bring winter weather tomorrow to the East Coast. It will bring us a round of rain and maybe even a few rumbles of thunder. We're already dealing with some rain right now along portions of the First Coast. This is mainly Putnam County. We're seeing some showers here. Heads up to places like Keystone Heights. You'll likely see a little bit of shower activity. The shower that's now moving through Gainesville heading in your direction. So we'll keep an eye on shower chances overnight tonight. They stay low, but they're not zero. They will be out there. Temperatures right now, hey, it's a bit more mild than it was. We're sitting in the 50s, right near 60 degrees in St. Augustine. And overnight tonight, lows are going to drop down into the lower 50s. So not as cold tomorrow morning as it was this morning. But look at this, those rain chances, they do start to increase as we head into our Tuesday. And we will be watching for heavy rain at times. And again, a few rumbles of thunder possible throughout our Tuesday morning. Some of that rain lingering into Tuesday afternoon, maybe a few showers out there. So a high tomorrow near 62, some heavy rain, some thunder. That's part of the cold front. And behind it, that's when we get that blast of Arctic air. And we do have winter weather alerts in place Wednesday morning. A hard freeze watch in effect for the darker blue area here, and then a freeze watch for the rest of the First Coast. It does not include coastal St. John's. It also doesn't include parts of Putnam County, mainly along the St. John's River there. But as you can see, most of our area under the freeze watch or the hard freeze watch. What is the difference? Those of you in the freeze watch, you need to protect your plants, pets, and people. Check on your neighbors. Make sure everyone has a way to stay warm. If you are in the hard freeze watch, think about ways to protect your exposed pipes as well, because it will be frigid. Here is a look at your morning temperatures Wednesday morning, and we will be in the 20s most everywhere across southeast Georgia, and then dipping down to places like Lake City, McClenny, even over towards the Jacksonville airport. 20s out there, 30s for a lot of you, low 30s along the coast, NAS Jax, also down towards Palatka as well. And then on top of that, we have to add in the breeze that will be out there Wednesday morning, and feels like temperatures will be in the low 20s, and models still try to show a spot or two dropping down into the teens temporarily. So again, very, very cold air on the way Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon stays quite chilly with highs only in the upper 40s, wind chills in the low 40s. So that's what you need to dress for, the low 40s throughout the afternoon on Wednesday. And then Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we're going to do it again. More freezing temperatures. The breeze will calm down, but that just means that widespread frost is likely Thursday morning, again with more freezing temperatures on the way. We're going to try to get a bit more mild as we head towards the end of the work week, but then another round of cold air, another front moves on through, bringing rain Friday and more freezing mornings Saturday and Sunday.
Thank you, Lee.